A yo-yo can be thought of a solid cylinder of mass m and radius r that has a light string wrapped around its circumference. One end of the string is held fixed in space. If the cylinder falls as the string unwinds without slipping, what is the acceleration of the cylinder?
We write Newton's second law for the system. F net equal ma, and T is the force upward, positive. Mg is the weight force downward. And these are the only forces in this system. And mass times and A for the center of mass. And we see that when this unwinds, the center moves downward. Therefore, it's a negative acceleration. We rearrange and solve for T. Mg minus ma. Next, we write Newton's second law for the rotational motion. Torque equal I alpha. So this is the system, that's the radius r, and one force upward, name is T, lever arm distance is r, and this is the force rotating counterclockwise, positive Tr. And there is another force, which is mg. However, the lever arm distance for this force is 0. You can still write it, but it's going to be mg times 0. So that's not going to contribute to the rotation. Equal moment of inertia is 1/2 mr square. Therefore, we write 1/2 mass of the yo-yo m r square. Doesn't matter whether you use capital R or lowercase r. And alpha is the rotational acceleration, which is positive direction, using A equal alpha r conversion factor, and alpha is A over r. A over r. So this term is 0. T equal 1/2 m r square A over r. Here there is also another r. It also makes it r square. T equal 1/2 m A. Say T equal T. First one is mg minus ma. Second one is ma over 2. Question is acceleration of the cylinder. So it is 3/2 ma equals mg. With op-amps, therefore acceleration of the center of mass 2g over 3. This is for center of mass, 2g over 3.